welcome back to my channel. So today I have a small Walgreens haul for you guys. These deals started on Sunday, May 1st, and they are good up until Saturday, May 8th. Now I actually did this transaction and another transaction on Sunday, May 1st, but I'm just now getting around to recording the video. So this is just my first transaction, and I will have the other Walgreens video up later in the week. But before I get into these deals, if you are new to my channel and you are not currently subscribed to me, I would really appreciate if you would go ahead and take out the time to click that red subscribe button along with the notification bell so that you will be aware of each and every time that I upload a video. With that being said, let's go ahead and get right into it. Oh, and another thing, you guys, I want to go ahead and mention, if you haven't seen my community post, I am having a 50% off sale on my coupon stockpile pricing guide. So if you are interested in learning how to sell your bundles, where to sell your bundles, how much to price your bundles for, that guide is for you. So if you are interested, I will have a link in the description box below that will lead you straight to my XD shop. In order to get my coupon stockpile pricing guide at the 50% off discounted price, just type in the code birthday, and I am doing the 50% off sale because it is my birthday month. My birthday is actually on May 8th. So I started the sale on May 1st and it ends on May 8th at 11:59 p.m. PST. Okay, so just to let you guys know, if you are interested, there is a link in the description box below. Use the code birthday and it will drop the price from $9.99 down to $4.99. So I just wanted to make sure that I let you guys know that, just in case you didn't. Now let's go ahead and get into the deals. So as you guys can see, actually this is two transactions. My big Soleil razors, this was actually an online pickup order. So this is the first transaction and then this is the second transaction. So for my online store pickup, I went ahead and grabbed two of these big Soleil razors, and these are priced online for $6.29. The deal is when you buy two, you will receive a $5 registry reward. So what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and grab two at $6.29, and that's going to bring your total to $12.58. We do have a $4 digital coupon on the Walgreens app that I used on this. So $12.58 minus that $4 digital coupon brought the total down to just $8.58. And then also, once you get to checkout, you're going to want to type in the code SENIOR20. Now, I'm not sure if that code is still valid because I did this on Sunday, May 1st. Today is May 4th. I'm not sure if it's still valid, but you can go ahead and test it out and see. And that will take off 20%. So it took off $1.72 for me. So $8.58 minus the $1.72 discounted code, that brought the total down to just $6.86. And when you buy two, you will receive a $5 registry reward. I did receive my $5 registry reward. I just don't have it pictured with me. So with receiving that $5 registry reward, it brought the total down to just $1.86 for both, or it makes each one just 93 cents. Now, I know that we would normally get these for completely free, especially when we would have the IBOTTA rebate offers, but paying just 92 cents each is still a really, really great price. So here is my receipt for that. Both of them rung up at $6.29, but the 20% is factored in, so it totaled $10.86, and then the digital coupon came off, bringing my total down to $6.86. And then I did use $5 in Walgreens cash, and I got back my $5 registry reward. And so now in my second transaction, I went ahead and grabbed two of the Gain liquid detergents, two Gain flings, three of the Crest 3D white toothpaste, and then I have two of the Scott Comfort Plus tissues. So the first one we're going to start with is going to be the Crest. So with the Crest at Walgreens this week, they are priced at $4. The deal is when you buy three, you will receive a $5 registry reward. So what you're going to want to do is go ahead and purchase three at $4, and that's going to bring your total to $12. We do have a $5 digital coupon that you can use on these. With using that coupon, it's going to bring your total down to just $7. And then when you buy three, you will receive a $5 registry reward. Receiving that $5 registry reward will bring your total down to just $2 for all three, or it'll make each one just 66 cents. Now, one thing that I want to say about this is that my $5 registry reward did not print for the Crest. And then also I did another transaction on Sunday where I did the Colgate deal to where I was supposed to receive $5 in a $5 registry reward. And I did not receive that registry reward either. And I know for sure that the registry reward was working because when I did my pickup order, the registry reward printed for this deal. It just didn't print for the Crest, nor did it print for the Colgate. So just to let you guys know that if you are planning on doing this deal. Now, I'm not sure if the registry rewards are printing now because like I said, I did the deal on Sunday and today is Tuesday or Wednesday. I forgot what the day is, guys. But so I'm not sure if it's printing now, but it wasn't printing then. Okay. But if it prints for you, it's going to bring your total down to just $2 or 66 cents per tube of toothpaste. Now, I did go ahead and contact customer service and they did go ahead and credit that $5 to my account. Okay. And then for the gain is just priced at Walgreens this week for $16. Now, I sell this in my bundle. This is a very popular item that sells in my bundle. So that is why I went ahead and grabbed 4 of those. Plus on this transaction, I was using registry rewards. I had about 5 registry rewards that I wanted to go ahead and use. So I thought that I would go ahead and just stock up on the gain because I know that I can flip that into some cash. So again, 4 for $16. I did go to the PG Good Everyday website and I printed off a $2 coupon for the gain flings. So 4 for $16 minus that $2 digital coupon made them just 4 for $14. And then I went ahead and grabbed 2 of these Scott Comfort Plus tissues. And these are just regularly priced at Walgreens for $5. We do have a $1.25 IVC coupon, digital, or you can use the IVC, the coupons, Walgreens coupon savings book. So $5 minus that $1.25 IVC coupon will bring your total down to $3.75. Also, if you check the Scott brand website, there is a 75-cent coupon that you can print off. Yours may be a higher value, or it may be a lower value. But for me, it was a 75-cent coupon. Now, I was planning to use 2 of those coupons, one on this pack, and then my second one on this pack. The coupon should have scanned, but it did not scan for me. It said that it didn't meet the price range or something like that. But I think I figured out why it said that, and I'm going to explain that. So on this transaction, again, I used registry rewards, and then I also used a paper booster, get $8 in Walgreens cash when you spend $35. And then also there was a digital booster on my account to where I could receive $5 in Walgreens cash either when I spend $20 or when I spend $35. So both of those did stack for me. Now, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys my receipt. Okay, so in registry rewards, I had a total of 5 registry rewards. Okay, there was a digital coupon for the Crest. I had 1 coupon for the gain. I had 2 coupons for the Scott Comfort Plus tissues. Oh, also, you guys, missing from this transaction, I had 2 packages of M&Ms, but my husband ate those, so that is why those are not shown. Okay, so I had 5 registry rewards. I only used coupons on 1, 2, 3, and 4 items, even though the 75-cent coupons didn't scan, but I did have coupons for those. So with the 2 packages of M&Ms that I had, plus the 3 gain products that I did not have a coupon for, each of my registry rewards should have attached to those 5 items because I had 5 registry rewards. So each one in 5 products that I didn't have coupons for. So the registry rewards should have went through. Well, the registry rewards did go through fine. It's just that the 75-cent printable coupons didn't go through fine. Now, what I'm guessing the issue is that maybe, I don't remember how I handed the coupons to the cashier, but I'm thinking that the issue was that maybe the registry rewards were on top and my Scott coupons were on the bottom. So once all of the registry rewards went through, it caused those 75-cent coupons for the Scott to not come off. Now, I don't know if that's true, but that's what I am assuming. It could be that or it could not be that, but that's like the only thing that I can think of. Maybe I should have just given them my 75-cent coupons first, then my registry rewards, and maybe everything would have gone through. Okay, so now let me go ahead and just show you my receipt. So there are the 2 packages of M&Ms, and they were priced at 89 cents each. So that's $178. All 3 of my Crest rung up at $4, so $12. All of my Gain rung up at 4 for $16. And then both of my Scott rung up at $5 each, so $10. As you can see, the store RVC coupon came off twice, so $2.50. And then here's my paper booster, get $8 when you spend $35. My $2 coupon came off for the Gain Flings. And then here are the 5 registry rewards that I used, totaling $28. So it brought my subtotal to $7.28. Now, another issue that I had was that my $5 digital coupon for the Crest did not come off. So I'm not quite sure what's up with Crest and Colgate this week, but the digital coupon didn't even come off for this. So I contacted customer service about that as well, and they did go ahead and credit my account with the $5 in Walgreens cash. Okay, so it brought my total to $7.28. Now, if my $1.50 in Scott coupons would have came off, my $5 digital for the Crest would have came off, then my total would have been 78 cents out of pocket, which is what it should have been in the beginning, because that is what I put together. That is what I calculated before I went to the store. But because the digital coupon and the printable coupons didn't print, that is why my total came out a little bit higher. And so when you look down here where it says earned this visit, I did earn $16.70. Now, of that $16, 8 came from me spending 8 came from me spending 35. 5 came from me spending, I think, 35. And then the extra $3 that I got back is from my birthday month. It's my birthday month, so I got back some extra points, some extra Walgreens cash. So $16, and I got back my $10 from customer service. So all in all, I am happy with this transaction. Like I said, I had registry rewards that I wanted to use, and plus I wanted to go ahead and stock up on some more Gain products. So that is going to be it for this video, you guys. I hope you all enjoyed. If you did, please do me a favor and give me a thumbs up. Share this video with your friends and your family. Leave me some comments down in the comment section. Let me know if you did the Crest or the Colgate deal. Did the registry rewards print for you? And before I leave, I want to go ahead and mention one more time, you guys, if you are interested in my coupon stockpile pricing guide, there is a 50% off sale going on right now, and you can get it for $4.99. The only thing you have to do is you use the code BIRTHDAY, and you will pay only $4.99. So don't forget to submit your receipts to Fetch Rewards. When I submitted my receipt, I did get, I think, I don't remember how much I got, but I will insert a picture. I know that I got some points for the Scott paper towels. If you are not using Fetch Rewards, I will have that linked in the description box below, along with my code on the screen for you. When you sign up using my code, you will receive 2,000 points. So that is going to be it, and I will see you guys in my next video.